The easiest way to make money with dropshipping in 2025 is by just simple copy and paste what other people are selling as well. That's what I've been doing in the last few months. And as you guys can see, while I'm recording this video, let me refresh this. I have made already 4K in Great British Pounds, which is 5K euros. And let me refresh my ads manager as well. And you guys can see I spent 1.6K today. So a rows of three while not touching the ads, not touching the store. I did not do anything. I just copied some simple stores. So in this video, I will show you three high converting stores that are printing millions, and you guys can just copy and paste them and make millions as well. So this is what I've been doing with this store. You guys can see 4K today, and even in the last 90 days, we have generated, let me see, close to 500K Great British Pounds, which is 600K USD, which is insane. So I'm going to show you three stores that you can instantly copy and paste and make money as well. Let's start with the biggest one because you will be shocked how much money these guys are making. Let's go to the symbol web. You guys can see these guys have done 600K monthly visits last month, and they're only using Google Ads. As you guys can see, I'm only using Google Ads for my store as well. And these guys are doing the exact same thing, making over 1 million a month just in the US market with a general store, which is insane. So let me show you their best sellers because that's what we want. We want to know their best sellers. And you guys can see it's just these generic, crazy products like even a sleeping device, an anti-snoring device. We have, what do we have here? A GPS tracker. I've sold this one before as well, and they are making millions with it. It's insane. And these landing pages are so simple. And the funny thing is, this is one of my best sellers as well on my store as well. Even for pets, it's working amazingly. I just copy them and I literally put them on my Google Ads shipping store and we're printing. So let me show you the ads as well. This is the ads library. You guys can see here the URL anywhere. And you guys can see they have a lot of ads running, a lot of ads. And especially what I see here as well, like air coolers, because it's bloody hot. So that's what they're selling as well. Here another one, even gardening products, indoor products, outdoor products, a heating vest. Maybe they're targeting Australia as well. Another AC, outdoor binoculars, I think a range feed hunting rangefinder. It's so funny. These are just generic products that they put on their dropshipping store and they're printing millions with Google Ads. That's what they're doing. So let me see. There's nothing really special about this store. I cannot click here on decline. Maybe if I refresh and I do quickly decline. No, it's too late already. You guys can see it's pretty simple. Add to cart. I cannot even do that. Well, funny enough. But you guys can see here, add to cart, one, not even a one-page checkout, there's a three-page checkout, and boom, here it is. That's it. This is so simple. So these guys are doing a lot of volume just running Google Ads to their dropshipping store. And if you want to copy and paste them, it's pretty simple. You can just go to their bestsellers and you just copy and paste them. You optimize them with AI, so you find better titles and a better description. You put them on your store and you will be printing. Last video you guys really liked is that I've exposed some of these stores. I have actually a big list of 20 plus stores more. If you guys drop a nice comment like, Jesper, I love you. Thank you, Jesper. Just some kind words. I will send you my list of 20 more stores that are printing on Google that you can instantly copy. So please leave a comment and I will send it to you. Let's go to the second store. This one is also pretty huge. You guys can see here, it's a very simple homepage, nothing much. It looks like outdoor, indoor, home theaters, playgrounds, sheds. They're selling crazy stuff. So let me see if we put up the cinema web. And these guys are printing as well, 60K monthly visits. That's normally between 100 and 200K monthly revenue. And let's see what they have as their best sellers. Well, this is their bestseller. It's a powerful electric battery operated cordless weed eater grass trimmer. Wow, that's beautiful. You guys can see so easy, so easy. And of course, it's the season, right? People love to work outdoors in their garden and they just need these tools. And I know these tools will be amazing because all of these tools are made in China. So these things are really selling very well and the quality is pretty good as well. You can see here at the cart and it goes straight to checkout. I would never do that. I would still go to the add to cart because you can upsell them. They don't have an option now to upsell. No bundles as well. So you can easily win from this store if you just make some bundles, even if you give them the incentivization to add 2 or more products to the cart, and they get 15 or 20% discount. This is insane. Let's check their ads. So here we have their ads as well, the Google Transparency Center. In the gift that I'm about to show you and send to you when you leave a comment, I will also put a link to the Google Ads Transparency Center for you guys. And you guys can see all random products, mostly garden products, which is really, really fun. Because of course people are working outdoors now a lot, especially in the US. I think it's pretty hot right now. You can see even a um, cover for your car, which is funny. Even inflatable summer boat. It's so funny. You can literally sell everything with Google as dropshipping. You're not able to sell on Facebook ads or TikTok ads with these simple images. Like literally no one would buy. No one, because they're just scrolling on social media. But on Google, people buy this because literally see the price, they see the product, they literally see how much you're charging for, and they come on your website and boom, they just click on this link and they buy. That's how easily it goes. That's how easily it goes. And that's what I've been doing with this store. As you guys can see, in the meantime, I hope we're getting some sales during this video. Yep. Oh, we made another 200 pounds in the last 5 minutes, which is amazing. Okay. So let me go to the last one, and that's the smaller store because maybe you're overwhelmed. Like, oh my God, these guys are doing millions a month, 200K a month. I found a small store as well that's in the German market. So I wanted to show you guys as well the EU market. I'm the biggest fan of the German market, but for the beginners, this is not the easiest market because you need a strong PayPal because 80% of your sales go through PayPal with the German store. But I can see a Dutch guy that's smart enough, that has a good PayPal, is running this store. And as you guys can see, it just launched a few months ago and the scale is insane. Of course, the numbers, they're always behind, but if you see this kind of graph, then you know that this store is killing it and has insane momentum. So let me see what their best sellers are. These are mostly lamps, indoor lamps. I'm a big fan of home decor because the quality is good. The margins are insane. The funny thing is they're not even selling for that high. You can sell way higher for these kind of products. But as you guys can see, these products are beautiful. And the landing page that they made, I think is one of the best that I've seen from all the stores that I just checked. Because they have a bundle, they have urgency, scarcity, social proof, they have USPs, they have everything in place. So I guess this guy just followed my last video as well, where I talked about how to optimize this in another video. So you guys can see, beautiful made. This is all visual, especially with home decor. It's very important that you sell visually. So the images are beautiful. And the good thing is Google Ads takes these images as a ad creative. That's a good thing with Google Ads. You don't need to create your creatives yourself. Google creates them based on these images, which is really, really good. So let's go to their transparency center. And you guys can see they're only running Google Ads, only Google running ads. So the stores that I'm sharing with you guys, they're only running Google Ads, which is really, really well. Google is not showing that many ads right now because probably these are now picking up for them. But yeah, you guys can see they're only running Google Ads, and this is a beautiful converting store. It's a beautiful converting store. If we see what I would improve, I would not improve that much, to be honest. I think they're doing an amazing way. They even have here the testimonials, which is really nice. They even have recommended products, really nice. Let me see how the cart page looks like, and they're using Upcart, really, really good. So secured shipping and a $10 gift card. Oh, this is a good one. They even give you a $10 gift card when you put this on, and that's I think $6 or something. Yeah, €6 plus 6.99. Okay, that's really good. See the checkout. Oh, this is also very nice what they've done. Even when you make a custom banner in your checkout, it will increase conversions. It will increase conversions. So for $7, they just upsold me. They gave me a discount because I added 2 products on the cart. So this looks really, really well. This looks really, really well. I love the colors that they're using. These guys are killing it. Beautiful done. So now maybe you're thinking, okay, but Jesper, how can I start implementing this? Well, as you guys know, I run the biggest Google Ads dropshipping community on school. The name is Freedom Achievers. And we teach you how to get these stores, put the products on your store, optimize them, and scale them with Google Ads and get your first 1K day within 90 days. Even if you're doing already 5K per day, if you join this thing, even if you're doing 100K a month, 200K a month, you will find glitches and hacks to really scale this thing. You guys can just see, for example, in the last 24 hours, we had Josie that made his second 1K day in a row, which is really, really nice. He's also selling in the UK market, I guess. 40 euro budget, 80 euro budget, which is insane. 80 euro budget, and then boom, like a sale for 1K. And then Rewas is killing it in the German market. You guys can see here, it's all in German. A 10% conversion rate because he knows what he needs to put on his store, and a 3.6K day, which is insane. His first 3K day with a 10% conversion rate. Rewas, you're doing insanely well. In the meantime, you guys can see that we have a live Q&A call right now about Google Ads. If you want to do that as well, you can join. We have in the calendar so many live calls you guys can see. You can just hop on any call you want and just ask any questions. You guys can even connect with different people on the map as well. You guys can see we are worldwide all covered. So you guys can see that we are doing this worldwide. This strategy is easy done for like people in the US, Australia, Italy, Spain. You can literally sell on Google everywhere as long as you have connection to the internet and people can use Google in your country. So if you would love to join Freedom Achievers, this is the first link in the description. And maybe if you want to see 3 other stores that are killing it as well right now on Google Ads, check this video out because in that video, I expose 3 new stores that you can check out and instantly copy. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.